Struggling with painfully slow download speeds on the Xbox app in Windows 10 or 11? You're definitely not alone. And today I'm going to walk you through a few quick and effective fixes that can instantly speed things up. Stick with me, because the last steps are the ones most people forget. Let's start with one of the simplest solutions. On your desktop, open the Start menu and search for Windows Security. Once it opens, go to Virus and Threat Protection, scroll down to the Settings section, and select Manage Settings. At the top, you'll see Real-Time Protection. Go ahead and temporarily turn this off. For many people, this alone removes the bottleneck and boosts Xbox app download speeds right away. If you're still stuck with slow speeds, don't worry. There's more you can do. Head back to the Start menu, open Settings, then select Windows Update on the left. Choose Advanced Options, scroll down to Delivery Optimization, and look under Download Options. Change the drop-down to Absolute Bandwidth Limit and make sure any bandwidth percentage limits are turned off. This prevents Windows from quietly throttling your downloads in the background. Next, let's refresh the Xbox app itself. Still in Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps, and search for Xbox. Once you find it, click the three dots, choose Advanced Options, and scroll to the Reset section. First, hit Repair and let it finish. Then press Reset. Don't worry, you won't lose your download progress. These two steps often fix hidden app issues that slow everything down. If nothing has worked so far, your final option is to uninstall and reinstall the Xbox app completely. It's a last resort, but it can clear lingering bugs that affect download performance. And that's it. Simple steps that can make a night and day difference. If these tips helped speed up your downloads, feel free to share your experience. And hopefully everything is running much smoother now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.